The event was very good, and as you saw, I was talking to people. Everybody I spoke to, I asked them 2 or 3 questions, and I got 5 to 10 different answers. So from my perspective, ROI, do pucho, 10 jawab mile, it's absolutely
How
phenomenal.
do you rate the event?
So अगर ratio इधर 5 times star है तो 5-star event ही हुआ.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the event?
I would give it 10. It was an excellent event. Very good people. Good conversations. Extremely good presentations. Very knowledgeable content.
Yes, sir.
I think I enjoyed it.
Small feedback for the event. Feedback.
No, I think event is good,
Yeah.
and also the people who are present are also good in terms of the industry, and also I think this is one of the initial events of DQ, but I think the overall handling of the whole event has gone very well.
We have been doing events, but this is for the first time that we are organizing DQ Live.
Yes, so I think this concept is very good,
Yeah.
and also the flow of the event was also quite good.
I would like to know if the feedback for the event.
It was good. The feedback was good. I think many people are there. It is night 9 now. Still you are able to see people here. I think congratulations DQ.
To get the feedback for the event.
Oh, it was a fantastic event. Basically, I enjoyed the most. Basically, right from morning to evening, we had a full pack of sessions. I think they were quite useful to us as IT CIO. The last session was quite interesting. Anyway, I think the overall session was fantastic.
What the feedback? How would you rate the event?
I think this was a first-class event. I was particularly impressed with the quality of the speakers. I don't even include myself. Everyone that I listened to really gave pearls of wisdom, really gave practical, constructive, and useful advice that will help anybody in the IT profession to do a better job and to be more successful.
Thank you. Feedback for the event.
My feedback is I think it was very good experience for all of us over here. And we got to interact, we got to network a lot with different people, and I guess it raised a lot of knowledge level which we had about the latest things which are there in the terms of technology. That's about it.
And I think you should have more of these events and some amazing speakers today. So that is and a wide mix of speakers. So it was very broad based. I think that was and very educative, especially Devdutt Patnaik.
I think we have been attending the session for quite some time. Almost for 4 years, we have been attending the session which have been conducted by DataQuest. And I think it is one of the most professionally managed award function I would have ever seen. I think next to it, I think the best competitor would be CNBC IT User. These are the only two, I think, nationally best, I suppose. Yeah.
So what about you?
Actually, we had been in the COL award also. So it is excellent. Keep up the good work.
It's a well-managed function, nicely arranged, and well decorated. Thank you.
Feedback.
Yeah, I think it's a great event. There are a lot of interesting speakers talking on various subjects. So overall, it was a great event. Thank you.
DQ Live, the first season looks great. If you look at the event from 3 perspectives, the content, the participation, and the organization. I would say content was really top-notch. It's hard to get so many good speakers at one place together. In terms of the participation, again, great quality crowd. I think we managed to have a lot of people in the team which could add a lot of value, not from just learning, but also from contribution from the audience side. And organization was equally stunning. So I think overall it was a great event. I would look forward to be here next time. Thank you.
Very good, and it is very good to be here and get recognized. And I think DQ Media and all the sponsors are doing a great job in doing and finding out who is doing what and how. So I definitely appreciate the effort that's being made. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Yeah, it was an amazing gathering. Right kind of people from the industry came here today. Starting from the morning, Hitachi guys made a good presentation. Very sensible one at that. And a very well organized seminar, I would say. Thank you, DataQuest. Thanks.
Back for the event.
Fabulous. I think a great day. I was telling both Ed and Pradeep that an event like this has happened for the first time for this community. Bringing business imperatives to, and linking them up with CIO. I think very well thought through event, very well executed, and very well, the sessions were very well thought through. So, a great opportunity for, this business community to sort of interact with each other. All the stalls that you guys had. So, all of that.
Thanks a lot for your participation.